The health of hair is actually depends on how well you're nourished by the blood. And the blood is the nourishment. It is converted from qi. So if your qi is strong, your blood is sufficient or ample. And then all the blood that has been nourished everywhere else in the body will eventually go to the hair and nourish it and make it strong, make it shiny. The cause of hair loss in traditional Chinese medicine, we need to look at what is hair in tradition. Of course, we can look at the hair and that it's the same in TCM, but the growth of hair or the nourishment of hair in TCM is from the blood. The health of hair is actually depends on how well you're nourished by the blood. And the blood is the nourishment. It is converted from qi. So if your qi is strong, your blood is sufficient or ample. And then all the blood that has been nourished everywhere else in the body will eventually go to the hair and nourish it and make it strong, make it shiny. One of the other qi from Zangfu organ to support the hair structure or the hair growth or the hair health is kidney qi. When our body's kidney qi is strong, we have gold shiny hair, the hair is shinier. When we're getting old, kidney qi is depleting, we start to have gray hair that comes in, and the hair looks more coarse and not as shiny as when we're younger. So kidney qi also is a very big important factor that determines the health of the hair. So the stronger of kidney qi, the stronger the hair. It's not as likely to have hair loss. And like I said, because hair is the extension of blood nourishment, so the more nourishment from the blood, the stronger the hair. The foundation of the health of blood comes from strong qi. Acupuncture can be very effective for hair loss, especially when we are using the needle on the scalp to stimulate the follicle growth. It can also help. But also remember that the health of the hair comes from the health of blood. In Chinese medicine, it includes the hormone, your nourishment, your gut health, your ability to absorb the nutrient. So acupuncture not just directly stimulate the hair follicle to grow, but also when we use acupuncture in the body, it can help strengthen the qi and also reduce the inflammation like we always talk about. When there's inflammation in the body, it depletes the blood and causes a condition called blood deficiency. That means that you don't have enough nourishment for the hair. So acupuncture can help strengthen the qi, strengthen the blood, reduce the inflammation so it doesn't damage the hair, and also strengthen the kidney qi. Like I said, kidney qi determines the quality of the hair. So using acupuncture to strengthen the kidney qi also can reflect on the health of the hair. So that's why I said that acupuncture can help with hair loss, and not just to stop the hair loss or slow the hair loss, but also strengthen the texture of the hair. Of course, you can use your finger to stimulate your scalp like this, and then do it as often you like because it's not invasive, so it's very safe. Or you can use the brush, gently brush your hair, and because there's so many acupoints on the scalp, so whatever you do, you're gonna stimulate it. You just need to be consistent. But one of the other thing is that eat the food that help to nourish the blood. What are they? So in Chinese medicine, the color reflects on the quality or the function of the food. So for instance, color of blood is red, so having food like that's more red in color, like jujube, dates, beets, those are blood nourishing food. According to Chinese medicine, that can also help. Also, I also recommend that you can eat food that strengthen the kidney qi, like walnut, soybeans, or fermented food. That can also help as well. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me, and I'll see you soon.